name is Andris Strejs. I represent company Hephatronic Labs. I'm happy to be there. And let me tell shortly about our company. Our company is a small, medium-sized company and has not very long-term history, but some researchers from our company has quite long-term history, and already in last century, in the 60s, in the first Soviet intercosmos satellite laser rangings has been built with the involving of these researchers. What it is, satellite laser ranging, I guess everybody knows, but it's an technology how to measure distance and to detect coordinates to the space object. And our team members who has some experience from these long times, they continued research works and has some news, and so we have a new prototype already building, and this satellite laser rangings can be used for research, for satellite rangings, as well for educational works. The satellite laser ranging, which is indeed a telescope platform, is designed as a mobile system, and it can be installed, and it is meant to be installed in the standard sea container, and so it can be mobile without building new premises. You can just move this container and install it everywhere. And with these satellite laser rangings, the client can make satellite rangings 24 hours and 365 years in a year, days in a year. So. Developmental objectives. For what purpose it means to be used? It can be used for ranging of satellites who is equipped with retro-reflecting prisms. As well, if we increase the power of laser, we can use as well for ranging of satellites which are not equipped with retro-reflecting prisms. And as well, we can use for ranging of any space object, artificial, who is in Earth's orbit. Mini satellites, CubeSats, microsatellites, and others. As well, we can use it for detecting of space debris. What is innovative in our satellite laser ranging is that we use real-time. It is tied to the Earth's fixed coordinate system, and so it gives the possibility to detect the coordinates in real time. So there is no need for continuous control of the instrument coordinate system to the reference stars. So the equipment is made modular and simple for exploitation, and it would be said that it's switch and work. And it's made modular, so simple and reliable constructed. So it gives possibility to use for different purposes. For example, if you would like to change laser, you don't need to order another satellite laser engine. You can simply change laser and continue working. So it can be transportable, and the whole system in a container total weight is less than 4,000 kilograms. So the main advantage is, as I told, that it's you can obtain space object ranges and coordinates at once, immediately, and you can get them from one observation site, so you don't need to have expensive observation network. So that's a model in scale 1 to 10. At the moment, the project is in progress, and we have this common project with University of Latvia, and this model is not tested, but we can do it completely. So thank you very much for your attention.